Hi, I'm Jeff Wilson, and this short talk series on generative AI includes 7 per topic talks. The impetus for these talks is the wild hype and uninformed comment about generative AI, and also related comments about language and mathematics. All 3 of these areas are well known for opinions that are not based on reality. The simplest examples of the gulf between opinions and reality are to be found when mathematics is wrongly applied to legal issues. I mentioned the case of Sally Clark in my book Precise AI. However, there is a much better example to be found in a book called Math on Trial by Lila Schneps and Coralie Colmez. This is the case of Lucia de Burke, and it is a sad but almost perfect example of faulty opinions and faulty mathematics. I have researched language and language technology for over 40 years, and from my perspective, one can only understand the present claims for AI if one has a deep knowledge of 3 areas: language, history of innovation, and mathematics. To understand language, one must understand, as a minimum, human-level conversations, and in particular, the essential role of unstructured statements, the importance of context, and also the essential structure of memory. Awareness of history is essential in order to understand the problems associated with false belief systems. As a minimum, this means understanding the Semmelweis story, which I also briefly cover in my book. The key mathematical fact to appreciate is the very strange geometry of high-dimensional spaces, and again, as a minimum, this means understanding that hyperspheres are very, very spiky. I dislike claims that generative AI systems have innate intelligence. If so, why can't I just hold a human-level conversation with such a system? And before those enthusiasts out there claim that one can, let me remind them that human-level conversations involve unstructured statements, not just questions and commands, something that Alexa still seems to be unaware of. Statements are essential components of conversations and must, in the general case, be remembered for at least 50 years and be discoverable. No doubt my talks will cover some of these issues.